What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again to another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we're talking about a brand new cloud gaming service. Well, kind of new. It's been in beta for the last year that Samsung launched. There's Samsung cloud-based gaming inside the Game Booster app. It's got the Gaming Hub extension, and now it is out of beta and it's completely available to everyone in North America, which means the US. 23 different gaming titles. I'll show you guys how to get it. How to find it, all that good stuff, and also show you which games are included. Before we get started, do want to remind you guys, if you haven't yet, check out our website, sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. We did cover this story actually when it broke, when Samsung issued the press release. And of course, we have a full writing team over there, in addition to myself making videos every day for you guys. If you are in the US, you can also tap on our banner on the website, the orange one up here, sign up for our free mystery box program for the Galaxy S25 series. You'll get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, and other randomly inserted goodies when you purchase a Galaxy S25 device through our affiliate link in January 2025. We cover all the shipping costs. You pay nothing. Phone number, email, or both. It is US only, as I said. And again, we cover all costs. All you have to do is use our link. That's how we pay for it, using the funds from our affiliate revenue. This will be in the pinned comment description if you're interested. So here's the press release here. We covered it, like I said. This has been in beta for a while. You can now play games in the cloud without downloading them. And it is pretty awesome because now you get free access. Like I said, everyone in North America, 23 total games. We'll look at them in a second. This looks particularly great on all the flagships. Keep in mind, if you have a mid-range or lower range type phone, cloud gaming may not necessarily be as good as on the flagships, but it'll definitely be better perhaps than local gaming would be because of the hardware, since you're gaming in the cloud, but you still might have some speed and sort of issues like that. They do still perform better on the flagship devices, even though it is a cloud gaming type service. It is free for now, and unlike other cloud services, there's no content gate behind a paywall, no monthly subscriptions for other users to access these games for cloud streaming tech. In addition, developers and publishers can check out the landing page for further details if you want to kind of develop games for Samsung's cloud-based gaming service. So if you search on your Galaxy phone, just go up here and search. Just search for Gaming Hub. You'll actually find it. It's right there here because I was playing around with it earlier today in preparation for making this video. And you tap on it, you'll see right here, play without downloading. Now, of course, there's a lot of other games, and all of your other games, like I've got Pokemon Go, Pokemon TCG Pocket, these get added to your library, any games that you have on your phone that you play often. This is like your little game launcher here. But now there is a new section that says instant plays. So these are my games these are the ones here you can see are the ones I've downloaded. The instant play, which is the cloud-based gaming, has this little like lightning bolt there. And you can actually go in here and take a look at the games that you played instantly. I checked out the Slot Mania app. My wife and I like to play slots when we're in Vegas, so I figured I'd check that out. And so one thing I will say though, is it does kind of move around where it puts the play without downloading. The trending section is sometimes on top, sometimes this is on top, but this is the one that's the cloud-based gaming. If you go through and look at the different games, you got Monopoly Go, Honor of Kings, AFAR Rush, Race to Victory. Some of these games I've never heard of, but some of them are very popular titles. Homescapes, Evermerge, House of Fun, Matchington Mansion, Klondike Adventures, Farm Game, Guns of Glory, Project Makeover, Marvel Contest of Champions, heard of that. Kingdom Guard Tower Defense, I've heard of that. Disney Emoji Blitz, I've never heard of that, but it looks like it would be a fun game if you have kids. Ants Underground Kingdom, Candy Crush Saga, of course, a classic. Cookie Jam, Match 3 Games, Lords Mobile, Slot Mania, which as I mentioned before, more of an adult type game, Ebony King's Return, World of Tanks Blitz, Left to Survive, specifically optimized for Samsung, Warhammer 40,000, and Marvel Strike Force. So you can play any of these games, and basically the way it's going to work is you don't even have to log in. You can use a guest account as well. If you choose a game, let me choose a different one. If you choose a game like Monopoly Go, it's going to say streaming powered by Samsung, and then it loads up. One thing I did notice, if you guys notice when it first starts loading, some of the games still say beta. This one says beta, even though it's officially out of beta according to Samsung's press release. You can get 15% off coupons by Gaming Hub if you want to like get in here and pay money, but obviously you don't have to do that. You can skip it and go directly into the game itself. Now, I have Do Not Disturb mode on, so that's probably why there's no volume. I usually turn that on while I'm creating a video. But you can see that it is pretty fast. Let me put my age in here. 38. There we go. 39. whatever. I could be 39. I'm about to turn 39. More fun with friends, play with friends, or play as guest. If you want to play with friends, then of course you have to log into Facebook. And so there we go. There's the volume. You see you've got the little lightning bolts at the top for any games that you do play. And then you'll be able to jump in. Overall, I found it to be a pretty snappy experience when it comes to most games with the instant streaming. I did test this in beta as well when I was, going through the last year and kind of testing this out. And I played a few games with my son, and it seems to be pretty good overall. So anyway, I would encourage you can always go back to Gaming Hub and then play again. I would encourage you to check it out. You'll see up here in the quick settings, you also have a instant plays, game session ends in a certain amount of time. It'll keep it in the memory for a little bit in case you want to keep playing. Otherwise, it'll delete it. If you clear the notification, it'll tell you the game session ended and your status was saved. So that's another thing that's specific to the cloud-based gaming. Anyway, finally out of beta, 23 games. If you guys want to check it out, go to Gaming Hub. You'll be good to go. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Like I said, go to SammyGuru.com, bookmark the website. We have the latest Samsung news every day, as well as the videos, of course, and the mystery box if you're in the US for the Galaxy S25 launch. Appreciate you guys checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.